Good morning class. Today's our next subtopic is chemical properties of non-metal. So here the chemical properties of non-metal, four properties are there. First one is a reaction with water. Second one reaction with what? First one is reaction with oxygen. Second one reaction with water, and third one is a reaction with acid, and fourth one is reaction with hydrogen. So let me explain you one by one the all four properties. First, reaction with oxygen. See the first reaction with oxygen. General equation है non-metal when react with the oxygen it will form non-metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxide. For example, let me write the example. Non-metal take carbon, react with the oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide. Second example, take sulfur. Sulfur react with oxygen, it will form sulfur dioxide. If you take nitrogen, nitrogen will react with the oxygen, it will form nitrogen dioxide. Understood? So second one, come to the reaction with water. Let me write the general equation. See the second one, when non-metals reacts with the water. Not all the non-metals react with water. I write here, all non-metal do not react. All non-metal do not react with water. Only halogens. Halogens are reacting with water. Halogens are reacting with water. When halogens are react with water, they form hydrochloride and HCl. For example, chlorine. When chlorine will react with the water, it will form hydrochlorate and hydrochloric acid, HCl. Understood? I repeat again, not all the non-metals are react with water. Only halogens are reacting with water. Like chlorine, chlorine react with water to form HOCl plus HCl. Now come to third one with acid. Now third property is reaction with acid. Here also all non-metals do not react with acid. All non-metals do not react with acid. Only halogens are reacting with the acid. When halogen is reacting hydrobromic acid, HBr, hydrobromic acid. For example, chlorine. Chlorine is reacting with hydrobromic acid, it will form hydrochloric acid, HCl, plus bromine is separated. Understood? First and second and third properties. Now we will do the fourth one with water. With hydrogen. See here, reaction with hydrogen. Here non-metals are reacted with the hydrogen. Non-metals like sulfur. Sulfur reacted with hydrogen, it will form hydrogen sulfide. Sulfur react with hydrogen to form hydrogen sulfide. Take one more example like nitrogen. Nitrogen is reacting with the hydrogen, so it will form ammonia. Ammonia. Understood? Chemical properties of non-metals, four are there: with oxygen, reaction with water, reaction with acid, and reaction with hydrogen. These are the examples. Write all things. Write this all. Then we will do the next one, ionic compound.